Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Google Pixel 7 has a fingerprint sensor. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Here try to find the security tab. There should be a fingerprint if the device has one, but it does not. Oh, here it is. So that means this device has a fingerprint sensor. Now let's just try to find it. So on this device, it's located right here on the bottom of the screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.